tinin match take stolna nai tongo Chongkleng FC versus United FC nai
Young
tongo.
people should more focus on sports. Of the football tournament under 19. Today's match played between Chongkleng and United FC. FC is in navy blue. And the match starts. Nicely passed to his friend, jersey number 7. Brilliant. Opportunity should not be missed, but should be converted. Let's see what happens. Oh, now a miss. We have a huge goalkeeper. We don't play football with hands. Nice one. Cleverly. Oh, kicking.
Receive langsung script le.
Beautiful pass. Let's anything happen. Oh. Another one. The ball is with jersey number 7. Let's see what he does. Beautiful. Well defended by the defender. The Chongkleng. Once again, the ball is with jersey number 7. He seems to be dangerous. Jersey number 10, what he does. Nice pass. Jersey number 17, let's see what he does.
Share.
Oh, it can be anything. Very smart. Target. Once again. Going into the box, the danger box. Once again, it's an opportunity. Anything can happen. This is beautifully taken by jersey number 10 of United FC. Missed. Wow. They are here to see beautiful skills and talents coming from different corners of tripura. He missed out. Nicely taken. Jersey number 18. Zero. Nice one. Jersey number 18.
Don't let him score. First match में half time का ताबुक
Oh!
Hingke half time pai tabo khela change
Come to the first half
naitong norok.
of the second.
Hingke oro United FC first goal rakha ke boso saimar aglia.
Mama gol dah pun biru kajak liya. Leg leg. Gol kayak ni kele.
Hanyo hai tai thaisa goal ri rukhai United FC rok.
Another one, just number 11.
Oh.
Jersey number 7 out. The score reads 2-0. United FC 2 and Chongkleng 0. Another opportunity. Jersey number 3 from United FC. He beats the defender and nicely taken. Of the ball. Nicely passed. And nicely taken as well by the goalkeeper. Oh! Nice ball into the box. Well defended by the defender of United FC.
Pas kali kecil kayak udah emang nanya sih.
Well clear.
Hingke tini ni match so United FC rok 3 goal khai khuklai engkha tini ni sari ni match so.
And with this, we come to the end of the second match. In the second round, done by